I'm going to show you the real cause of this error. There's probably hundreds of other videos that attack this thing the wrong way. Okay, here's what you need. Get a Q-tip, tape it to something so you got it kind of up and kind of longer. I'm using a fork. Up underneath here on the front of this little glass viewer, right up in here on the top of this thing. You need to go get some alcohol, pour it on this Q-tip. The Q-tip is wet now, and I'm wiping it off on the underside of that thing. Here's all the crud I just took off that glass viewer. Unbelievably dirty. This is probably a couple thousand K-cups have gone through this particular machine, maybe 3,000. This thing's about 6 years old. Gets used to death. There's some more taken off of it. Push it down. Magic. Hope that helps.